guys, welcome to the show. Today we are checking out, look at this, it is the fabled Apple Lightning dock connector, officially as of this recording, the most compatible Apple produced official Apple dock for your iPhone. Now we are going to be opening up this box and showing you exactly what you get in the package. So inside, look at this, we're going to have a proper review and demonstration on how this rocks, how long it lasts, all that kind of good stuff on the show today. So it looks like a nice little fashionista brick. It's got that lightning port right there, and it's got a lightning port on the back right there, and even got a microphone. Look at that, sorry, headphone jack. It's got a headphone jack. This is the limits of Apple's innovation right there. Unlimited potential in this little box. So let's set it up right and let's use it with an iPhone. So what you do is you put your iPhone, just manage to slide it in. There it goes. It fits perfectly and it looks fashionista. It looks gorgeous. One of the problems you might run into is trying to take your phone off the dock. Unfortunately, the dock is not heavy enough to handle that. So you got to use two hands, or unless you can do the lambada, and then you put it on and then you take it off with, you know, not just one hand but two hands right there, and boom, it's perfect. It makes you think, like, you know, why am I even bothering to plug the port into the port, and why not you just plug the cable directly into the phone? And look at that, it's probably easier maybe, but we are being fashionistas, and as a fashionista, something the ladies love is one of these docks.
Oh, where's my phone? What is that? Awesome. Oh wow, it's so clean and so sleek and just so pretty. I love it. Thanks, baby. Oh my god, thank you. Hello. Oh, hello, goodbye.
So there you go, real life lady reaction.
Oh man, that's hot. That's hot. It's hot.
And regarding design, it lasts exactly 1 year post warranty. Kudos, Apple. Thank you.
Follow that duck.
Red light. Damn it. I'll get you next time, Aqua Duck.